Let me show you how to get a timer into an email for your email marketing, because these things are incredibly effective at building urgency and doing a whole bunch of other cool things. My name's Gavin. I run an email and SMS marketing agency. If you want help with your email and SMS marketing, let me know. I can help you. But without wasting any more of your time, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is how my team and I create timers in Klaviyo using a third-party tool. Now, I'm gonna recommend this tool here, SendTrick. Note, this is not a sponsored video. They have nothing to do with anything I hear, and this tool's incredibly cheap. I think it's like $9 a month. So, you know, hey man, good luck making money with that from a sponsored video. But nonetheless, what we've got here is, first of all, a template, right? And you'll notice here within Klaviyo, you know, there's actually no way to build a timer, okay? You can see here, text, image, drop shadow. There's no timer button here. Pre-built, sure, universal, not there, okay? What you can do though, is you can build a timer in a separate platform, add the code as HTML, see this here, and then have it dynamically show up in all the emails. Let me show you what I mean. So in SendTrick right now, you can create a timer. We'll go test, no template, right? And we'll say timer is standard. We give it the time zone, okay, that we're setting it for, and when the timer needs to end. We're gonna say 23rd, okay? We're gonna hit create, and here it gives us a display, okay? And in this timer, we can change the configuration as to what time zone it's set in, right? I could say like, hey, we're gonna change it to wet. I don't even know what that one is. We can change the date and time of the time zone, okay? We can change it to reoccur automatically. You have to be on a bigger plan for that. You can also have it dynamic as well, which is good if you have like an abandoned cart flow and you want to have a timer that ends dynamically. Like your coupon expires in 24 hours and you want to have the timer end relative to when that email was sent. That's where dynamic ones come in. But if you have, like, for example, a sale that is ending on a fixed date, for example, Black Friday, and you have a Black Friday sale that ends on the 1st of December, you can set this timer to end on the 1st of December relative to the time zone that you're in. For example, if we're on New York, right? Let's just go EST, East Coast, and our sale ends on the 1st of December, right? At, midnight, we can set that here. We can go 11. You get the idea, right? Let's just say it's 11 p.m. 59, right? So now the timer will end on that time. See how it is up here? Then what you can do is you can go timer configuration, visual design. You can start changing the look and feel of the design to be relative to what the template is that you're building. So if we look at our template here, we know that it's like a white background with black text. So we actually need to invert this. We need to go white background, all right? Cool. Notice it's kind of disappeared there. Digits now should go black. See here? And then the labels, which is like the dates, everything like that, we can change that there. Days, hours, minutes, seconds. Cool. We can align it to the right, align it center. We can decide where we want this, how we want this timer to look within our email. Since it's HTML, we need to set it within here to bring into the email. So now we can do this. So let's assume that we're happy with this right now, okay? We can copy the code, right? Copy that code, hit save, and watch this. Take that HTML block, boom, and look, there it is. Isn't that cool? So you build it within SendTrick, bring it into Klaviyo, and here it is. And you click exit, and now that timer is gonna basically count down from that. And the cool thing here is you can actually see how many views that timer gets, all right? Now, just in terms of pricing here, like let me actually show you here. If we go active timers, tools, timers, you can see how many views our timers have gotten. Kind of cool. I don't know how useful that is, but it is kind of cool to kind of see. Let me just run you through really quickly the pricing here. SendTrick pricing, it's very affordable. I mean, I should probably do the year plan, but I'm still kind of like on the low plan. But I'm paying like monthly, I'm paying $9 a month for my plan. And to be honest, this works well because I don't actually need timers in every single one of my emails. But in these cases, I use it works really, really well. I recommend it. Centric, I'll add a link in the description to this video, but that's how I add timers. There's a bunch of other platforms you can use, but that's how I do it. Now, if you have any questions, chuck them in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my channel. I make 3 videos like this every single week. I have a newsletter that comes out twice a week as well. Subscribe to that in the description too. And if you do need help with your email marketing, if you need help with advanced flows, advanced campaign strategies, that's where I can help you. Check out the description of this video. There is a link to my Calendly. Book a time to chat and we can go from there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.